Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial information marketing 101 101. I want to first congratulate those of you that took advantage of this opportunity that comes once in a lifetime. Well, let me introduce myself real quick. My name is Jade Sola. I'll be teaching you digital marketing. Yeah, I'll be a tutor for this course. And I really hope you guys will learn. In fact, you guys will surely learn a lot. So just grab your popcorn and your pen and your book and jot important things down. So yeah, this is my account details below. For some of you that are watching this, maybe you got it illegally. Illegally, I mean you didn't get it from me. Probably someone else is selling it. I don't know. Its cost is just 1,000 at the moment, though it's increasing soon. So just send the money to these details below and let your conscience be free. Alright, let's get started. Okay, what is digital marketing? Okay, this is what you learn under this module. What is digital marketing? Why should you learn digital marketing? How does it work? Types of digital marketing. Who can do digital marketing and how to make money with digital marketing? So let's start with what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is simply the use of digital devices to market your skill, product, or service. It also involves the use of the internet, media houses, digital platforms to promote products and services. When we hear digital marketing, some people might think it's one big deal. It is no big deal. You just need to understand the basics. As a matter of fact, the rates at which people are, turning back or using digital marketing for their businesses is now increasing rapidly. So it is just like the name implies, it is use of digital devices. And when I mean digital devices like your tablet, iPhone, iOS, Android, MacBook, that's PC and the likes. And using those digital devices to market your skill products and service online, because you also need to use the digital platforms. So digital platforms like your social media platforms, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, and what and the likes. Then you can also use media houses. You can even use this TV stations. All these are digital platforms. So that is just like the definition. I hope you get it. Why should you learn it? Honestly, forget all this English. Why won't you learn it? Because we are in a digital era. Yeah, you have an Android. Okay, yeah, I can still understand those that I don't know probably don't have an Android or they don't have a smartphone probably due to financial reasons. But you have an Android, you have a smartphone, you have your iOS, you have your PC. You just have to know how these things work. You just have to learn it. So nobody will teach you, oh, this is why you should learn. You have to learn it because these are things. The world is turning digital, and this is an high income skill. And you might just need to market yourself one day. You might start a business and you need to market. You can't be using these traditional methods of just opening a shop and sitting down waiting for passers-by to. Even those most people that have shops right now, they don't wait for passers-by. They market their products online and people patronize them or they do delivery. So you don't even need to digital marketing does not even only imply marketing products. There are different things people market online. Different things. You can market yourself. Yeah, you can you can make a brand out of yourself or something and market yourself. You can market your skill. You can market anything online. And yeah, we're in digital era, so it will help take your business to the directly to the target audience with little cost. That's one advantage of digital marketing. Like it is less expensive. Now people are starting business. You don't need to find capital or rent to rent a shop. You just need a little capital to market your things online, and you're good to go. So yeah, How does it work? Okay, you pick a product or service you want to promote, obviously, because you need a product, you need something to promote in the first place. You choose the digital device and platform you want to use. Yeah, then you research your target audience. Yeah, you can't just many people they don't even know their target audience. I'm still going to okay, let me just give you a brief definition of target audience. These are people that are most likely like your potential customers, people most likely that to buy, these people that needs your product and they're most likely to buy. You know, it's similar to demand. Demand is not complete until they are willing and able. If someone is willing, demand is not complete because if you are willing and you don't have the means to pay for it, then that is not a demand. People that are willing and able. So you can't be so sure of these people, but you know the potential people that are most likely to buy. That's your target audience. So for you to know your target audience, so you have to even understand. Most people don't even understand the products they are selling. Some will be selling wigs, or some will be selling, you know, I don't know, probably skin products, and they don't even know like the full details of what they are selling. They don't know the side effects. They don't know how to encourage people to take care of their skin. Those people selling wigs, they don't even know like they don't even know how to maintain wigs. They don't do the product research. I don't understand. Okay, so you create an advert here and you promote the product or service as simple as that. Types of digital marketing, affiliate marketing, SMS, information on social media content, YouTube, SEO, email, influencer. This okay, let me just briefly explain some of these. I'm still going to explain most of this in coming videos, but just a brief intro. Affiliate marketing. Yeah, I'm sure everyone or 90% of people listening to this, watching this right now would have heard of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is different from referral. Affiliate marketing is simply, recommending digital products. In fact, it's not even only digital products. Recommending products people who need the product and can afford the product. Then SMS marketing, like the name implies, marketing with SMS, sending SMS to people. I'm still going to explain that in another video. Information marketing, what I am doing right now. I am marketing my information. I have the knowledge on this. So I've packaged it into an information that is useful to you guys and I've marketed it to you. That's why you're watching this video. So I don't need to even go deep into that. I'm sure you understand. Social media marketing, yeah. All these ads that you come across every day when you're scrolling through social media, those people are marketing with their social media. So that is what it is. Content marketing. Using content. I'm still going to explain this in another video. Anyways, content like using your content to drive your audience to you. Like I said, I'm going to explain YouTube. So most of this SEO, yes, you advertise SEO. SEO is like, how do I even explain? Optimizing your website in such a way that Google ranks it. Like when you type for, okay, let's say you type a particular keyword, you type shoes, all those um top sites that you see, you immediately see adverts, you immediately see sites that are writing about shoes, but they are indirectly selling to you, all those things. That's SEO. Email marketing, using emails to market, influencer marketing, like the name implies, just paying influencers. Yeah, or you can even influence for yourself. If you're an influencer, these are the things that are not so hard. Who can do digital marketing? Anyone, basically anyone. I'm sure I don't even need to say this. I'm sure you've come across different forms, different people, young, old, using selling with selling digitally. So you don't need to say, oh, I don't have a degree, I don't have the qualification. Anyone, so far you can understand. In fact, the internet is designed in such a way that even a dollar can easily navigate through and understand even the basic things. I know there are some technical aspects of using these digital platforms, but anyone literally can do digital marketing. So you don't need to limit yourself with your background, your age, experience and the likes, just go into it. And you know how to make money with digital marketing. People are making money, my dears, my brothers and sisters watching this. The basic idea behind making money is selling something. Yes, and like I mentioned earlier, you don't particularly need to sell a product. You can sell your skill, you can sell products, you can sell yourself. And I'm not okay, I don't know. Like, you can sell yourself, like you you've branded yourself in such a way that people like pay you. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. There are different things you can sell online. Even employees, people doing 9 to 5, they are selling their time and skill for the salary money. So everyone sells something. So the basic idea behind make money, you have to sell something. If you are just scrolling on social media every day, you are not doing anything, you're just burning your data. Though I know not everyone is going to monetize um these digital platforms and devices that we have. But those of you that you need money, you don't have any means, just try to monetize it. Are you is it WhatsApp CVs? Are you posting content to attract audience so that you can sell to them later? What exactly are you doing? Are you just burning data, scrolling endlessly on social media? Well, it's up to you. So you can learn the skill. Yeah. Apart from even these random ways of making money, digital marketing is a skill on its own which you are learning, because in this video, in this course, I'm literally teaching you many of the ways you can make money, many of the categories of digital marketing, which are in the coming videos or in the next videos. So yeah, those things, if you monetize everything, don't just listen to this, watch this video and to go and sleep. There's a way you can monetize this video, learn something, apply it in your business, apply it in whatever you're doing, and you make money. I'm not going to teach Facebook ads. Don't just watch those videos and say, oh, make money, apply these things, you know. Well, it's up to you. And it gives ROI, which is why everyone is resorting to this. You don't need anyone to tell you that people are making money. Like, hmm. Well, this is the intro, anyways, of this course, digital marketing. And I do hope you learned something, and I know you're going to learn something also. Many things, in fact, in the coming videos. So, yeah, thank you for watching this video and have a nice time.